In 2023, GSTN issued 33,000 notices to companies for irregularities dating 2018 and 2019. Despite the rise of notices issued by the government, most companies are still managing notices and the entire litigation lifecycle on Excel sheets. Let's explore the challenges of manual Excel-based processing and the blind spots that most companies totally miss. Let's also explore how automation fills all the gaps and delivers more. In a manual setup, there are no timely updates or predictable patterns for email notifications. Important notifications can be missed due to oversight or email-related issues. Furthermore, updates on ongoing notices often go unnoticed. With Automation 3.0, you receive on-time SMS and email notifications. Due date alerts ensure you never miss a deadline. Best of all, no human intervention is required. Manual processes involve multiple logins to the GSTN portal for different GSTNs, multiple OTP entries, and slow, time-consuming portal loading times. Resources must be available at all times, as notices can arrive at any moment. Additionally, notices come from multiple sources and in various forms, including email and post. Automation 3.0 eliminates the need for government portal logins. Notices are auto-fetched into a single place or dashboard, ensuring super-fast processing and requiring only 2% of human time. Manual systems require maintaining multiple Excel sheets, which are error-prone and time-consuming. Automation 3.0 updates information automatically, provides a single data repository, and ensures highly accurate data ingestion. With manual processes, data confidentiality is often compromised. Data is exchanged in multiple formats such as Excel, PDFs, and printouts, and government portal access is granted to multiple stakeholders, making it difficult to locate specific case-related data. Automation 3.0 offers a single dashboard with multi-user access, seamless collaboration, high data security, and instant access to specific case information, including easy access to historical data. Manual systems offer zero analytics. Automation 3.0 provides instant access to analytics and reporting, a single data repository, faster and more informed decision-making, case-wise information availability, identification of similar cases, and detailed graphical data representation. Manual processes only allow for basic data maintenance. Multiple formats and data entries are required for a single case, and it's challenging to maintain a link between intimation, notice, appeal, and order. Automation 3.0 covers the management of each case from pre-adjudications to the Supreme Court. It provides stage-wise representation for each case, with updates, notifications, and alerts at every stage. A single data repository contains all case information, organized stage-wise. From timely notifications to comprehensive lifecycle management, automation ensures accuracy, efficiency, and security. Switch the gears and experience the transformative benefits of automation. Presenting GSTHero Litigation Lifecycle Management Solution, the only solution that helps manage the entire litigation lifecycle easily, with maximum accuracy and eliminate more than 3,000 man-hours of work, save over 4 lakhs in lifecycle management costs, reduce storage expenses by 50,000, and avoid penalties of nearly 2 crores. With GSTHero's litigation management solution, you will safeguard your business's reputation, unlock more time for strategic tasks. GSTHero will also help you access historical data, provide efficient root cause analysis, link documents on a case-by-case basis with reporting. GSTHero will form your first line of defense against litigations, with pan-level auto litigation, fetching for direct tax, indirect tax, and exim with manual entry mechanism. GSTHero supports over 10,000 businesses, generates 135 plus million e-invoices annually, and integrates with 100 plus ERP systems globally. Contact us today for a demo and see the difference GST Hero can make for your business. Email us at info@gsthero.com or visit gsthero.com.